Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2019 on a 19 plate Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI 116 PS 6-speed in Python yellow metallic. Now, as an approved used vehicle, this car is available with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance, and this vehicle also comes with many flexible finance packages. For a finance quote or to book a test drive, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Now, looking around at the sharp front end of this A1 here, we've got these stunning LED lights. As you can see, the daytime running lights are on at the moment. And we also have the stunning honeycomb style grille on the front there. And this vehicle, despite being a little car, has a very large road presence with its stunning styling. Now, looking down here at these alloy wheels here, these are an optional alloy wheel. These are an 18-inch 5 Y-spoke design contrast grey alloy wheel, and they really suit this stunning vehicle and really stand out alongside that Python yellow metallic paint. Now, if we stand back from the vehicle here, you can see that this vehicle does also come with the contrast roof, which is available in Mythos black metallic paint. And we also have privacy glass, which means that it's great for those in the back on those sunny days. And it also means that anything you have in the back is more protected from prying eyes. Speaking of the back, let's go and have a look inside now. So this vehicle is a 5-seater, so it does come with 3 rear seats, and these seats do fold 60-40, which means that any larger items are a doddle to get in this A1. And as you can see there, for such a compact car, we do have plenty of space in the back for rear passengers, and we do also have a stunning design when you look at the rear of this vehicle. This vehicle does have rear LED lights, including the dynamic rear indicators, which is a little party trick to show your friends, and this vehicle does also come equipped with rear parking sensors. So let's have a look inside this boot here, and first of all, you can see that stunning contrast black roof there, and then if we open up the boots here, you can see there's plenty of space in there for smaller suitcases. We've got the space for the weekly shop. And it means that this car is very versatile, despite only being a small vehicle. We've also got there, obviously, our parcel shelf, which means that anything you have in the back is hidden. And once those seats are folded, there is plenty of space in the back for larger items. Now, if we have a look at the design here, you can see that classic C-pillar there that goes up to that contrast black roof. And we also have the S-Line front and rear bumpers on this vehicle, alongside the S-Line side skirts at the bottom there, which really add to the design. Now, looking inside this A1 here, we have the stunning silver trim there, alongside this part leather seats. And we have the S embossing on those there, which really makes this vehicle stand out as an S-Line rather than any other A1 trim. And as you can see there, these seats are super supportive on those longer journeys, and also great if you want to push this A1 round the corners. So that completes our initial look at this 2019 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI in Python yellow metallic. Now, as I mentioned before, this vehicle is an approved used vehicle, so it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, we're going to have a more in-depth look at the interior of this A1. So this vehicle comes with all electric windows. We do also have power locks there for the rear windows for children, and the mirrors are electrically adjustable, electrically heated and electrically folding in this vehicle, which is great for when you want to park in places such as a city and don't want anybody to bash your mirrors. And this vehicle does also come with automatic lights, which means that on those nighttime drives, you just have to get in your A1 and drive and don't have to think about whether the lights are on or not. Now, looking back here, we have this stunning leather-wrapped S-Line 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel there, which is great and means all the controls are at your fingertips, and it feels really great to hold. And behind that, we have Audi's famous virtual cockpit there, so you can flick through different menus such as your radio, your telephone, and vehicle settings as well. And it also means that you've got a digital speed reader out there, which means it's easier to read. Now, looking down on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, this is how you control that screen in front of you. So we've got the top buttons there, which move it from left to right. We've got a little swivel wheel there, which can scroll up and down different menus. And we've also got view there, so you can delete whatever's in the middle. And it means you can just focus on your dials. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel here, we've got our volume control. So you push it in to mute it and scroll it up or down to increase and decrease the volume. We've got our voice control, our telephone controls there. And we also have the little star button there, which means you can change the functionality of what that button does. Now looking down here, this vehicle does also come equipped with cruise control, which means that on those longer drives, it's effortless in this A1 and means that you don't get tired and also don't get those speeding tickets. Now looking on this centre screen here, this is a touch screen and it's got loads of functionality. So here we've got our digital audio broadcasting radio stations, which means there are plenty to choose from. We also have our media input there, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth or USB. And you can also connect your phone to make those important business calls on your way home. And here we've got Audi's famous drive select, which means that depending on how you're feeling, the A1 can be set up to suit. So if you want to push your car a bit more, put it in dynamic. If you want to chill out a bit more, put it in comfort mode. And down here, this vehicle is fitted with air conditioning, which is great for those summer days, which we're looking forward to. And we also have their different settings to change the direction of the air, the heat of the air, and we also have their heated rear windscreen, which is great for those frosty mornings. And down here we've got our shortcut buttons, so we've got our shortcut for the drive select there, we've got our shortcut for the auto start stop and for our traction control. And lower down there we've got a USB socket and a USB-C socket, as well as a 12-volt socket there to put anything such as a sat-nav in. And below that we've got more cubby space there for things such as parking change. And here we have our little dial to turn up or down the radio volume, as well as turn it on or off. And this vehicle is fitted with a very smooth 6-speed manual, so you just have to push the whole thing down and over to the left for reverse, and then obviously you've got your conventional 1 to 6 pattern. And this feels great, makes it feel really sporty, and is paired very well with the TFSI engine. And down here we've got 2 spacious cup holders with a little bit of storage in between and behind. So that completes our look today at this 2019 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI 116 PS 6-speed in Python Yellow Metallic. Now this vehicle, as an approved used vehicle, does get 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01785 899 417. Thank you for watching.